Gas prices are climbing again. And let's face it, no one likes watching their money burn at the pump. But here's the truth. Most drivers are wasting fuel every single day without realizing it. So today, we're revealing 10 real fuel-saving secrets that mechanics and car companies don't want you to know. Secret number 1. Your right foot is the real culprit. Most people blame their car for bad mileage. But the truth is, it's how you drive. Sudden acceleration and hard braking are fuel killers. Every time you floor it, you burn up to 40% more fuel than you need to. Smooth, steady driving can improve mileage by 10 to 20% instantly. Think of your gas pedal like a sponge. Press gently, keep momentum, and anticipate stops. Even in traffic, smoother throttle control pays off big time at the pump. The fastest way to save fuel isn't under your hood. It's under your shoe. Secret number 2. Tire pressure makes or breaks mileage. Here's one mechanics always check, but few drivers do. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. Just a few PSA below the recommended level can drop fuel economy by up to 3%. That might sound small, but over a year, it adds up fast. Check your tire pressure every month, especially before long trips or seasonal changes. It's quick, free, and one of the easiest ways to save gas without touching the engine. Properly inflated tires equals smoother ride, better safety, and real money saved. Secret number 3. Don't idle. Restart instead. You've probably heard it. It wastes gas to restart your car. False. Modern engines are designed to restart efficiently. Idling for more than 30 seconds wastes more fuel than shutting off and starting again. Whether you're waiting in a parking lot or stuck in long lines, turn off your engine when safe. Some modern cars have automatic start-stop systems, and they exist for a reason. Idling isn't just bad for fuel economy, it's bad for your engine and the planet. Stop burning gas while you're standing still. Secret number 4. Weight kills efficiency. Your car isn't a storage unit. Every 100 pounds of extra weight can reduce fuel economy by 1 to 2%. Empty that trunk, sports gear, tools, even that old stroller you never use. Roof racks and cargo boxes make it even worse by adding wind resistance. If you're not using them, take them off. Keep your car light, aerodynamic, and clean. Less weight means less strain on your engine, and a lot more miles per gallon. Secret number 5. Cruise control is your friend. Most drivers forget this one. On long, open highways, cruise control keeps your speed consistent, and consistency is fuel efficiency. Every time your foot fluctuates on the pedal, your engine burns more fuel to adjust. Cruise control eliminates that. But here's the trick. Use it only on flat or gently sloping roads. On hilly terrain, it can actually do the opposite. Used smartly, cruise control can save up to 7% on highway fuel use, all while making your drive smoother and less stressful. Secret number 6. The premium gas myth. Here's one of the biggest fuel scams out there. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're wasting money. Oh, most engines are tuned for regular 87 octane gas, and using higher octane fuel offers zero benefit. It doesn't clean your engine better or make your car faster. Premium fuel burns differently, but that doesn't mean better. So check your owner's manual. If it says regular is fine, stick with regular. You'll save hundreds per year, and your car will run exactly the same. Secret number 7. Maintenance equals efficiency. Neglecting simple maintenance can cost you more than you think. A clogged air filter, old spark plugs, or dirty oil can cut your mileage by 10% or more. Your engine needs clean air, proper ignition, and smooth lubrication to run efficiently. Follow the service schedule, especially for filters, fluids, and plugs. It's not just about reliability. A well-tuned car uses every drop of fuel more effectively. Skipping maintenance is like leaving money in the tank. Literally. Secret number 8. The right speed saves gas. Driving faster doesn't always get you there quicker, at least not efficiently. Most cars reach their best fuel economy between 50 and 65 miles per hour. Beyond that, aerodynamic drag increases dramatically and your engine works harder. For every 5 miles per hour over 65, you lose about 7% of fuel economy. So easing off the gas just a little can make a big difference. On long trips, that small adjustment can save an entire tank of gas over time. Secret number 9, use apps to track your fuel habits. Technology isn't an enemy, it's your secret weapon. Apps like Fuely, Gas Buddy, or even built-in trip monitors can show your fuel efficiency in real time. Seeing how your habits affect mileage makes it easier to improve. Many modern cars also display instant MPG, and watching it climb when you drive smarter is strangely satisfying. Treat fuel efficiency like a game. Track, adjust, and improve. The data doesn't lie. Secret number 10. Plan your trips smarter. This one's easy but powerful. Cold starts use more fuel, so combine errands into one trip instead of several short ones. Use navigation to avoid traffic and red lights. Even planning your route for fewer hills or stop signs can make a big difference. Efficient driving isn't just about how you drive. It's about when and where you drive. A little planning can turn a gas guzzler into a fuel saver. So there you have it. 10 real fuel-saving secrets that actually work. No snake oil, no gimmicks, just smart driving and smart habits. Which of these tips surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips, because saving gas isn't just about money. It's about driving smarter.